This video will show you how to reset your iVan control panel. If you have the message unable to communicate with hub on your control panel and turning the master switch off and on does not resolve this issue, please follow the steps below to reset the wireless network. Hold down the home button to enter setup and options. Select module on the left hand side and enter installer code 94253. When prompted, the network summary wheel hub will appear. Press remove and when asked, "Are you sure?" press yes. Press the reset all button on the bottom right hand corner. When prompted, "Are you sure?" press yes. The message "A wheel hub has been found" should appear within 30 seconds. When it does appear, press OK. If this has not worked, turn the master switch off, wait 20 seconds, and switch it back on. Wheel hub should automatically be detected if DC power is present at the water heater. If this issue is still unresolved after carrying out all the steps, please contact wheel support via the details on the screen.